Oh, the Rhode Island Red trying to pester the Silkies. What was that about? I don't know. Okay. Rhode Island Red trying to pester the Silkies. He has ornery like that. And that's why they got their own play area. Uh-oh, yeah. Mr. White. He don't like the Rhode Island Red that much. Okay, you two. Don't need to hurt your feet on the fence. Okay, move it along, Mr. Red. Come on. Go ahead. Move it. Go on. Yeah, you got a whole yard to play. And see how the little guys are doing. We're trying them out here. Their first day, some of these. Oops, where'd you go? There's one of them. First day. This is his first day out. And he is really loving it. Just all over the place. His first day outside.